习近平抵达中国原件的尼雷尔国际会议中心，发表了题为“永远做可靠朋友和真诚伙伴”的重要演讲。国家主席习近平18号致电第36届非洲联盟峰会，向非洲国家和人民表示热烈祝贺。
10 years, a decade marked by sincerity, trustworthiness, and practical cooperation. A decade dedicated to the development and construction of China-Africa community with a shared future in the new era.
China has had a very big input on infrastructural projects in our country. Most of the road network that has been done in this country has been done by Chinese companies. Most of the mega dams have been done by the Chinese people.
Donc, premièrement, l'arrivée des experts chinois à Madagascar ont apporté de l'espoir pour l'agriculture, la riziculture à Madagascar.
So I am impressed with the work that has been done by the Chinese team. They are dedicated, hard-working people, very disciplined. We are benefiting a lot through this bilateral cooperation between the government of Lesotho and China.
After the construction of the Dolon Dam, people have had quite access to the water of the dam. We highly appreciate Sinhydro construction for the dam.
It is difficult because of the skills that are required and also the situation here in Kenya to be an operator and an engineer for the excavator. But with the skills that Sani are offering, it becomes also easier for us.
On a daily basis, we receive 100 to 200 orders at our Kili shop, and I will prefer to continue working with them because it's a great employment opportunity for me, and also it's good to work here.
Le groupe HNRB, chargé de l'exécution des travaux réalisés, le programme de conformément aux normes internationales en matière d'assainissement pluvial.
Chinese manufactured cranes are very good and they are reliable in our South African markets.
I think this drawing is good relationship between Chinese and the Egyptian tradition.
The China-Africa Economic and Trade Expo will be held this end of June in Changsha City. We go to Changsha with our Kenya tea and coffee and visiting.
What unites us is not only deep traditional friendship and common interests, but also our respective aspirations.